Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online with ClickBank using super simple easy stuff. Okay, this is going to be a really interesting video, so watch this video till the end because you can understand each and everything which I am going to tell you. And if you are going to skip this video, then I recommend don't watch this video because you are never going to make money online if you don't watch each and every step of this video step by step and with clarity. Okay, this is really important video in which I am showing you a practical way to make money online with ClickBank really fast. Okay, so what you have to do is just go to this website called clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, just create one account. Okay, don't waste your time, just go and create one. Go to the marketplace and select the category which is parents and family. So here you can see the children learning program. Okay, so this is about children, how they learn to read. Okay, so this is one of the program which we can promote. Okay, and how we are going to, or you can promote this type of program. This is Baby Sleep Miracle. Okay, so this has some of the program which is related to baby niche. Okay, this has got a pretty nice gravity of 45, and this also has a gravity of 42. Now what we are going to do is we are going to promote this type of program. How we are going to promote this type of program is now what I'm going to tell you. First you have to click on this promote button and get your affiliate link. Most of the affiliate gurus have shown you how to get the affiliate link, so I don't think that you require any of the training for this. Just click on this promote button and get your affiliate link. Okay, so here I got my affiliate link. Okay, now once you got your affiliate link, just go to any of the URL shortener and shorten that affiliate link because it's a big ugly affiliate link. Now let's jump into how we are going to promote this product and just play close attention. Okay, now see here, just go to Instagram and just search for this hashtag baby videos, and you can find this all this baby videos up here over here. These are some of the videos which get tons of views. Okay, so there are many viral baby videos. So like this, see, you can see that there are many of them which are available, and you can find here some of the big pages in which many of the baby videos are available. What you can do is just download this type of videos and create a compilation out of these videos, because on YouTube this type of videos go really very viral. Okay, so you can see this is the video which got 7,585 views. Now to download this video, all you need to do is click on this video. Okay, and just copy this link of this baby video. Okay, control C, and you have to go to this website which is called gramsave.com and just paste it over there and just click here on the download button. After you click on the download button, you can see that the video comes over here and you can download this video. Now what you have to do is download 5 to 10 videos just like this. Okay, and you are going to create a compilation video on YouTube. Now let me show you how to create a compilation video on YouTube. Okay, now just go to YouTube and search for baby compilation. See, baby compilation one videos. See, here there are many of the videos which are just made out of compilation of such baby videos. Okay, so what they do is just put on 5 to 10 videos of those babies and just create this type of simple videos which get tons and tons of views. You can see here it's 77 million views. That's huge. This is 3.3 million views, 38 million views, and here you can see 10 million views, 11 million views, 4.8 million views, 670k views. So these are some insane amounts of views with this type of videos, kid. So what you have to do is just go and download those videos. Now I'm going to show you a software which you can utilize to create this type of compilation videos. Okay, now just go to Google and type in here OpenShot. Open SHOT. Okay, OpenShot video editor. This is an absolutely free open source video editor with which you can edit your YouTube videos and create compilations just like that which are shown in this YouTube video. Now all you have to do is go to Instagram, download some of the videos, compile them into single video, and then upload them to a new YouTube channel which you have created. And the software which you require to edit and create this type of videos is called OpenShot Video Editor. This is absolutely free video editor with which you can create this type of beautiful videos every single day. And this is really a great method to make money online creating this type of baby videos. But it if you have any problem and there your channel does not get monetized, that's where we are going to monetize our channel with ClickBank. Okay, now this is really important. Now pay attention. Okay, now what we are going to do is going to ClickBank, and you can find here this baby sleep miracle. All you have to do is just post the video on YouTube and just post this affiliate link in the description of that video, and provide that if your baby has some sleeping problems, then this can be the best solution for your for the problem to solve the problem of your baby. And most of the people who are watching baby videos may be interested in baby products. Okay, they are mostly interested in baby products, and so that you can just they will just click on this product, and if they want they will buy, and if they buy then you earn a commission. So this is how you get your videos monetized. Not you don't require AdSense monetization, but you can monetize it with ClickBank. So this is really awesome and very simple method with which you can start making money online using affiliate marketing. If you don't know how to use the OpenShot software, then just go and search on YouTube. There are many of the tutorials available. Just watch out 2 or 3 of them and learn how to use it, because it is really important to learn if you want to make money online. If you are not willing to learn, then sorry, I just have to say that you cannot make any money online. So get serious, take action. You are really one of the best person who can really earn millions of dollars out of this internet industry. Okay, so just get motivated and get started. So if you like my video, then just press the like button. Or I also recommend to you watch out other videos on my channel, just like the simple videos in which I show you how to make money online, different ways. But what I want to say is that just don't keep watching my videos, but take action on some of the methods which I show on this channel, because I want you to make money first, and after that I'll make all the money which I can. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.